Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this back shelf. So come on with me, guys. Now, I love to use this wood cleaner that the Dollar Tree is carrying. I think it's by Awesome, but it is amazing. I love the scent, very fresh, but it also doesn't leave like a film, yet it still shines whatever it is you're cleaning with it. I definitely would recommend this to anyone. And no, I'm not sponsored. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorate a Hutch. But not only a hutch, guys. If you don't have a hutch, you can use a bookcase or you can use a shelf and reveal. All right, so hosting in this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We also have Jennifer at Home. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor, and more, and Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. All right, so don't forget to click that like button, and always remember we follow YouTube etiquette. Full watch the videos and leave a beautiful comment, guys, because that can make someone's day. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. Okay, so I finished cleaning off that shelf and now I'm wiping everything down to put it back here and just deciding what it is that I'm going to use. So I pulled out this black bowl. This was a DIY that I made and I decided to fill that with pine cones. Now this small tray with the beads I absolutely love, and yes, it comes in colors, I think, and also these hearts also come from the Dollar Tree. So pretty much other than two items I think that I'm decorating in this shelf, I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and this was so budget friendly. So these white hearts I am absolutely loving, so I decided to overlay them on the tray. Then of course this little bird here with the little crystal on top I love as well. This was a thrifted item. Now, you won't believe, I absolutely love the shape of this tier tray, but when I purchased this at the Goodwill, it was still in its wrapper. So this was definitely something that was brand new and really didn't cost very much, guys. So now we are filling the tray. And like I said, one or two items did come from, I think, Dollar General. But the cross, I believe, that I'm getting ready to place in here did come from the Dollar Tree. All right, so now you guys know that I'm gonna move things around until I like the placement of them, and so that's what's gonna happen here with this tier tray. As you notice, I am using those neutral colors, and I'm absolutely loving them right now, so I'm gonna stick with that. I am adding black to a lot of the stuff that I am decorating with, not necessarily decided what I'm gonna do for the fall, but for right now, I'm enjoying it. So I think this back shelf came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. Let's head on over to the reveal. All right, now, as I said before, this black ball was a DIY, and then I filled that with some pine cones. Then we're gonna move on over to those little accent florals. I'm gonna say wood florals that you can use on tier trays and things like this. Those came from the Dollar Tree. I love them because they're distressed. They just look so nice, along with the tray and the hearts that came from the Dollar Tree. Now moving on over to the tier trays, you can see this is a distressed item also, and I'm just loving the color. So that accent floral piece on the bottom and on the top, that little owl, that came from Dollar General. And I'm gonna be moving this around until I like the placement, guys. You already know how that goes. So this cross here did come from the Dollar Tree, but the other little cross I think came from Dollar General. Then you're gonna see the other wooden sunflower on the other side of that cross. That came from the Dollar Tree. So they did have like different kinds. That they were displaying, that they were showing or selling. I like the sunflower, but I wanted to get something different, so I just got multiples of these. Now we're gonna move on over to that bird right there, and looking on the bottom of that, that came from Dollar General, guys. Here's another one of those wood sunflowers, and then we'll move on to the next piece. Now, that beautiful white bird has a crystal on top. I absolutely love it. And now this vase right here was a DIY item. I'm just so happy. It blends right into this decor on this table. And I do have a video on that. I'm going to see if I link that below. And then the floral piece I just placed on top. This came out absolutely Now, I'm not going to forget to mention that beautiful lantern that you see there. That was a gift from Debbie Bubbles. What a beautiful, beautiful piece, and I'm just so grateful and thankful for her. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank each and every one who participated in this collaboration or just watched to support us. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.